So when it comes to Flame Essential Oil Diffusers, these are 4 different ones that I am currently trying and excited to kind of share with you the differences that I see between them, along with like which one is my favorite. So starting here, this one has more like a bronze cranberry type of look, metal. It is a 3-piece, so you've got your top, you've got the inside cover, and so it is a 3-piece. It does have a line on here telling you where the water should, stop. You also have your on button, and then it goes 1 hour, 3 hour, 5 hours, and then you can turn your light on. So you've got that light, this one, or you can turn it off altogether and it'll stay diffusing. But I honestly love the look of it. This black one is inexpensive, 2-piece, simple, about the same water capacity, and it just has an on-off switch. So really easy as far as simplicity. It does require a charging block, as do these other 2. This one actually has a regular cord. Now with this one, you've got the salt that pops out, so you can have the salt stones underneath. Pop that back in. This one is also just a 2-piece, water capacity. Just be careful when pouring your water in here because it is open to the stones below. As far as controls for this one, you've got its touch. So you've got your diffusing, so it's 1, 3, 6 hours. You've got your light option. And then we have the white one, which is also 2-piece design, very simple front. On the back is where your controls are. So you've got the light switch, you've got the diffusing aspect, and then the timer, which is on 1 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour. Water capacity, very similar. And I thought all of these did a great job, as you see in the videos, of the diffusing part. Depending on the design of your home or the space that you're putting this in, I just wanted to give you a variety of different options. This one definitely looks great in that nice simple. I really like this one with the stones. This one, again, a nice small compact model, and I really feel like it does a good job of like making that flame look. But this one is definitely my favorite, as I really like the tree look to this. So if you're interested in any of these diffusers, I will include the links in the description below, along with a couple links to my favorite essential oils for that beautiful, relaxing, cozy atmosphere. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day. If you're looking for a really awesome diffuser blend essential oil, this one is brand new as of October 2023, and it's called the Shinrin Yoku Forest Bathing Blend. And so in this essential oil, we have lemon, patchouli, magnolia, Siberian fir, cardamom, cypress. We also have hinoki, lavender, grapefruit, cypress, geranium, and lemon petitgrain. This aroma has become our favorite here. My son wants it diffused in his bedroom. I love diffusing it in the kitchen for gatherings and different things like that. So if you're looking for a new essential oil to try, check out this.